a 3-4 port module. Alright, the shorter one's going to be driver's side light. There we go, we got our power. That's for our lighting harness. And there's our longer one's going to be passenger side. And over this way, there we go, this is going to be a power feed. Solenoid. Goes to the battery. So I'm going to hook it up like that basically. That side. Doesn't really matter. I can put it either way because my battery's on each side. And this side goes into the cab. That's for the controller. You got a stock headlight. Just like this. Connector goes on. Here's the plow wire. This wire goes into your turn lamp, turn signal for your blinkers. This goes to your low beam, which is right in here. That's all it is. But I got aftermarket lights, so I got a different harness in here. Got this plug. This plug down here. I'm gonna hook this up to a fuse that is keyed. Turns on when the key's on. So hook this in here. Run this through there somewhere. Should have drilled a hole through this plate. So I'm gonna drill a hole through this plate, run the wire through that, then cover that up, cover that hole up. Do that now, fix that, reroute that, then figure out where I'm putting the solenoid. Got 2 different batteries to choose from, so probably just do it all on this side.
You shouldn't move around too much, bro.
I'm gonna strap it against this wall right here once I verify the connections are right. 'Cause we took it all apart.
Are they good?
I want to see if if there's something I can do to shorten this wiring mess. 'Cause
I
this
wouldn't
looks
fuck with it.
Put the solenoid there. On the wall where it's grounded.
Good. We're done with that. Now,
And he probably has a big wiring
this
mess.
fucking thing here. What can we do with it? Hold on.
Alright, put the rubber. Is that the
You
air
want
exhaust
to go down,
vent?
you want the wires to stay down like this?
Yeah, that's fine. Put it right above it.
Okay.
Just clap that on. I'm gonna put this on to hold the controller. I never even opened this, and I got washers and bolts and no nuts. Yeah.